Hello, my name is Ethan Geiser, and this is my initial response for Module 2. So the question was, what is your view on your take on either Scientific Conservation by Gifford Pinchot or Environmental Preservation by John Muir? Honestly, I would more advocate for Gifford's take on scientific conservation to sustainably use the resources that we have, renewable and non-renewable, for the Earth. As the smartest creatures on the planet, as humans, I feel like we should benefit ourselves and use the resources that we have for what we need, whether it's gasoline, whether it's oil, whether it's coal. But at the same time, it does need to be used sustainably. We don't want to have too much carbon emissions. We don't want to deplete sources too quickly. We don't want to have any of those happen, especially for those non-renewable resources that take thousands and thousands and thousands of years to finally get back into that state where they can be used again. And that goes in terms of forests and oil and water and all of those different things. So I would much rather, I support more conservation versus preservation, because eventually, if we deplete the sources too fast, we're going to be looking for more. And so I feel like we shouldn't deplete the resources too fast in a case that we don't have to look for more. We don't need to go into further resources to deplete ourselves further if we don't have to. So I'd take the more conservative approach and use what we have right now at a good rate, and definitely focus on how can we get more out of the resource. Is there a way we can elongate its lifetime? Is there just more science or research that we can do behind it to get the materials that we have now to last longer, rather than just go grab new stuff, super fresh, and just use it quickly right away? So that is my take for initial response for Module 2.